Hi, I'm going to show you how to set up your Tuberose Pet Bed. It's going to come to you unassembled. There's not a lot to assemble, but these are the accessories. This is our infrared light. This is the bracket for the light. This is power supply for the computer and for the amplifier. This is the grounding wire for the grounding pad. Extension cord with 3 outlets, and the computer. So this is the bed, and you can see on the back right, this is the front of the bed. On the back right there is some missing space for the rubber bumper. That's where our bracket is going to slide inside of the screw right down onto there, and then in the back we're going to tighten this. Alright, so our light is going to fit right in there. Okay, we're going to take the base of the lamp, it's going to fit right in that hole in the bracket there. And just snug this up a little bit so we can still move it. And then this end, of course, you'll plug into your extension cord, or if there's an outlet nearby, you can plug that into that. And you turn it on right here. And then you can move this, it's articulated. You can go up and down, all over, so you can get where you need it. Alright. Okay, we're going to take the grounding cable for the ground pad. This has a snap right here on the pad in the corner. I'm just going to push that on to the snap. And the other end is going to go in the ground of the receptacle. That's the little, looks like 2 eyes and a mouth. It goes right in the mouth. That's the ground. That's connected through the breaker to a ground rod under the meter outside. It goes 8 feet into the ground. So this connects that to the ground pad. Okay, we're going to take the table and we're going to tip it forward. And we're going to see the bottom. This is our transducer, this is our amplifier. And then we have this cable that's velcroed right here. We're going to un-velcro that. And this, we'll put it through here. And this end will go into the computer. And then this is going to plug into the headphone jack on the side of the computer, like that. And then your power supply for the computer will plug in right back here into this hole. Okay, now we're going to take the power supply for the amplifier, and this is going to plug in right into the back of the amp, right there. Okay, so we've got our power supply cable and our computer cable coming through this opening, and I'm going to bring it back down so it doesn't get pinched, and then this will get plugged into the extension cord or into the wall if you've got a plug where you're going to be using it. Now this is the amplifier in the back, and you're going to turn this on and put it up about 12 o'clock is probably all you need, and just you're going to leave it there. Okay, you turn it back off. Alright, so this is how it's going to look when it's all put together. And the pet's going to be on this grounding pad directly, and then the light can shine. Now this is not hot, so you don't have to worry about burning or anything. The closer you get it, the better results you're going to get. And that's pretty much it. Now there's a separate video on the desktop of the computer about the software and how to use that. So this is concluding this demonstration of how to set up your table.